An object of mass 1000 gram experiences a time dependent force F equal to 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap Newton. The power generated by the force at time t is. So the mass of the object is 1000 gram, that is 1 kg. So mass of the body is 1 kg and the applied force depends on time t, such as F is equal to 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap Newton. So this is the applied force. We have to find the power. Now we know the power P is equal to F dot V. So power is scalar, that is power P is equal to F dot V. Now so we know the force F, but we don't know the velocity V. So first we have to find the velocity. Now F vector is equal to m a, that is mass into acceleration. Acceleration is dv dt. So m dv dt is the force. This is equal to 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap. Now m is equal to 1. Put the value of m1, that is dv dt is 2t I cap. So dv is equal to 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap dt. Now if we integrate this, that is the power generated by the force at time t. So at time t, so the velocity is v equal to 0 to v. Let's say the velocity becomes v at time t. Dv is equal to integration t is equal to 0 to t 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap dt. So v is equal to, the integration of dv is v, so v is equal to 2t I cap, that is t square by 2. So t square 2t square by 2 I cap plus 3t cube by 3 j cap. Now put the value of t, that is 0 to t is equal to t. So this becomes t square I cap. If we put the limits, then it becomes t square I cap plus t cube j cap plus t cube j cap. So we get the velocity. Now power P is equal to F dot V. F dot V. So F is equal to 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap dot velocity is t square I cap plus t cube j cap. Now we know that I dot I is 1, but I dot j is 0. So I dot I 2t I dot t square I, that is 2t cube plus, now I dot j is 0. So j dot I also 0. So j dot j, that is 1, that is 3t square into t cube, that is 3t to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. So 2t cube plus 3 to the t to the power 5 watt, 2t cube plus 3t to the power 5. So it is the answer, that is option 4, 2t cube plus 3t to the power 5 watt. This is the power generated at time t. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.